Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for a customized jewelry and accessories business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create new site. Which platform do you want to use? I'm gonna choose Wix. Here, enter your business or your website type. So, for example, customized jewelry. So, I'm gonna choose this. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Enter your business name, type any business name you want, you can skip. Do you already have an online store? Choose one. Let's move on here. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services products, digital products, and print on demand products. So let's move on. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. So here, design your site. How would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Enter your information. Here you can edit your information. You can add your email, your address, your phone, and here if you want to add the social link. So let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design, and let's move on. Now here, if you want to add page to your site, now let's continue. Now wait a few seconds to prepare your homepage designs. Now your site is ready and running, and here if you want to edit more your website, so this is the homepage website. You can here this the settings of the website. You can add elements. So the first element here is the text elements. So the text elements here, if you want to edit this the size or the shape of the text, the theme text, the titles, and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the next elements, the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to looking for something here, if you wanna upload your image, if you wanna import image. So let's move on to the button elements. So this is the if you want to edit the size or the shape of the buttons, the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and documents buttons, and iTunes buttons. Here the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. So that's it. Let's move on to the next element, the strip elements, classic or featured or badge, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, team. So just select anyone here you want and put it on your website, and it will be done. So let's move on to the decorative elements, the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines, here the vector art, future, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. So here the video, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. Let's move on to the box elements, the boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So let's move on to the gallery. Here if you're looking for recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries, So just select anyone and put it on your website. And let's move on to the menus and anchor. The same the menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last thing is the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here all the forms in your website. You can add order forms, contact forms, registration forms, donation forms, application feedback, and request, waiver, and subscribe forms. Just select any one you want here and put it on your website, and that's it. Let's move on here to Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps. Select any one you want, and the chat and the line button here. So let's move on to the video and music elements. If you want to edit your video elements here, and also the music elements here, you can edit. So that's it. Let's move on to the interactive elements, the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the boxes slideshows. Here is the light boxes, the boxes, the over boxes, the tabs, and the repeaters, the over repeaters. So let's move on to the list elements, the over repeaters, the blank repeaters. Just select any repeater you want and add it on your website homepage, and it will be added. So let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do single video players, here the audio settings, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player, iTunes buttons. Here the advanced elements, marketing tools, or Velo dev mode, or the last element here is the animation. You can edit their animation elements. So let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars here, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and here the music and video, the YouTube bar. You can also add it on your website. So let's move on to the payment settings. You can also add and edit the payment settings, the payment elements. So let's move on this the CMS. If you want to easily manage your site content, the plug, the store elements. You can also edit your stall elements, the bookings, your bookings elements, your related elements, and the present plans. So the events and the community and your designs. The last thing is designs, your designs. So let's move on now. If you want to add section on your website, click here, select any section here you want and put it on your website. So that's it. Here if you want to add page and menu, select any page you want, and that's it. Now let's move on here. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add more apps, also here you can manage your business. So here you can manage your business section. Now let's move on to the media. Here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit some images and videos, here if you're looking for free weeks images or free weeks videos, here the same as. If you want to easily manage your site content, and the last thing here is marketing and SEO. You can edit the Google ads, the Facebook ads, the SEO and social media marketing and the marketing integration. So that's it. Now after you're done from editing your website, also you can edit it from here as you like, if you want to move it up or move it down the section. So now as you see, after you design your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website and get it easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.